How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to Lead Therapy, and I really appreciate you taking your time tuning into the video. For those who don't know and haven't checked it out yet, I have an Instagram. It's Lead1789 Therapy. I've been mainly posting videos on Instagram that I don't post on this channel. It's mainly firearms you'll see on that channel. And most of the videos have done very well. Quite a few of them have over 3,000 views, and I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so, go over and check it out, see how you like it. And if you like what you see, please follow. The city of Buffalo has filed the first of its kind lawsuit against the gun industry. The city of Buffalo announced Tuesday the lawsuit. The lawsuit was announced by Mayor Byron Brown and names as defendants some of the nation's biggest firearm manufacturers, including Beretta, Smith & Wesson, Bushmaster, Glock, and Remington. The suit filed in state Supreme Court in Buffalo also names ghost gun retailers, Polymer 80 and Arm Alley as defendants. Members of our community have suffered too much for too long from gun violence. Brown said in a statement, "We must do everything we can to decrease gun violence. Enabling the possession of illegal guns destroys lives and deeply affects our neighborhoods, especially in the black and brown community." City leaders concede that gun violence in Buffalo is getting worse, despite efforts of the Buffalo Police Department to curb gun violence. Gun violence has surged in the city since 2020, where 355 people were killed or injured in shootings. As of March 21, the number of people shot in Buffalo over the first 2 months of the year jumped 140% compared to the same period in 2020. City officials said the goal of the lawsuit is not to prevent legal gun ownership. They're freaking lying out of their teeth, aren't they? The city of Buffalo is not going to let the gun industry members to continue to flood our city with illegally possessed guns, said Cavett A., Chambers of City Corporation Counsel. We must hold them accountable. Chambers said city officials have been following public nuisance laws in New York and will be considering additional defendants and causes of action as we get into discovery. Brown added the conduct of certain gun manufacturers has unreasonably interfered with the public right to use open space free of fear. The lawsuit said that the plaintiffs are looking for compensatory and punitive damages, as well as an abatement fund. And of course they are. It's not about public safety, it's about the almighty dollar. With sufficient capital to eliminate the public nuisance that gun manufacturers are responsible for creating, exacerbating, and are perpetuating. The lawsuit requests a jury trial. There was no immediate response to the lawsuit from the gun manufacturers and retailers named as defendants. The lawsuit charges that gun manufacturers and retailers have maintained the public nuisance of unlawful possessing, transportation, and disposition of firearms, and the utilization of guns in the commission of an offense by marketing firearms to emphasize their high capacity and ease of concealment. The suit alleges that such marketing, including its use in movies and social media, appeals to prospective purchasers with criminal intent. The lawsuit also faults manufacturers for not training dealers to avoid straw sales and other illegal transactions, and refusing to terminate contracts with distributors who sell to dealers with disproportionately high volumes of guns traced to crime scenes. All the defendants manufactured or distributed thousands of firearms recovered in crimes committed in the city of Buffalo and New York State. The lawsuit alleges the 5 top companies named in the lawsuit acknowledge that they have no system process in place to gather safety data related to their products, and they were unable to produce any internal analysis of the dangers caused by sellers of their military-style weapons to civilians. I would really like to hear your thoughts about the lawsuit in the comment section down below. And don't forget to help the channel out by liking, sharing, and subscribing and hitting those post notifications. And I hope to see you guys in the next video.